Hi everyone! My name is Jessica Simona Blen from grade 10B, and today we are going to talk about parabola. But first, what is a parabola? This is the graph of a quadratic function. It is also defined as a plane curve which is mirror symmetrical and is approximately U-shaped. Quadratic function has two forms, the standard and the vertex form. For today's problem, we have f of x is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. Our task is to find the vertex, table of values, graph, and the domain in range in set notation. The first step is to identify the variables. We are going to use the quadratic function standard form. In our standard form, we have f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Our variables here are a, b, and c. In our equation, we have f of x is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. So our variables are a is equal to negative 2 and b is equal to negative 8 and our c is equal to 10. Our second step is to find the value of h. The formula that we're going to use is h is equal to negative b over 2a. We're going to substitute our variables. So h is equal to negative times negative 8 over 2 times negative 2. Now we are going to solve. H is equal to 8 over negative 4. 8 divided by negative 4 is equal to negative 2. For our third step, we have to find the value of k, where k is equal to f of h and f of h is equal to f of x. Our given equation is f of x is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. We are going to substitute h to all of our x's. So f of h is equal to negative 2h squared minus 8h plus 10. Now we're going to substitute our h that we obtained earlier. So f of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 times negative 2 squared minus 8 times negative 2 plus 10. So f of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 times 4 plus 16 plus 10. Now, f of negative 2 is equal to negative 8 plus 16 plus 10. F of negative 2 is equal to 8 plus 10. And 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. So the value of our k is 18. We are going to proceed to our next task, which is to find the table of values. We are going to put the x that we obtained earlier, which is negative 2, and our y, which is 18. Then we will follow the table below. We are now going to solve for the y-coordinates of our x in our table of values. For the first one, we are going to solve if x is equal to negative 4. Now we are going to copy our equation. F of x is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. we're going to substitute our value. So we will have f of negative 4 is equal to negative 2 times negative 4 squared minus 8 times negative 4 plus 10. So f of negative 4 is equal to negative 2 times 16 plus 32 plus 10. Now f of negative 4 is equal to negative 32 plus 32 plus 10. Now we will have f of negative 4 is equal to 0 plus 10. And finally, we have 10 as our f of negative 4. Now we are going to solve for our next value, which is if x is equal to negative 3. Again, we're going to copy our equation. F of x is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. Now we're going to substitute. F of negative 3 is equal to negative 2 times negative 3 squared minus 8 times negative 3 plus 10. After substituting, we're going to solve. F of negative 3 is equal to negative 2 times 9 plus 24 plus 10. So, f of negative 3 is equal to negative 18 plus 24 plus 10. F of negative 3 is equal to 6 plus 10. And finally, f of negative 3 is equal to 16. We are just going to repeat the process if x is equal to negative 1. We are going to copy the equation. F of x is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. We're going to substitute. F of negative 1 is equal to negative 2 times negative 1 squared minus 8 times negative 1 plus 10. We're going to solve. F of negative 1 is equal to negative 2 times 1 plus 8 plus 10. F of negative 1 is equal to negative 2 plus 8 plus 10. Negative 2 times 8 is equal to 6. Plus 10. So 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. Lastly, we are going to solve for if x is equal to 0. We're going to copy the equation. F of x is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. We are going to substitute the value. F of 0 is equal to negative 2 times 0 squared minus 8 times 0 plus 10. Now, f of 0 is equal to negative 2 times 0 minus 0 plus 10. Now, negative 2 times 0 is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 10. f of 0 is now 10. Now that our table of value is complete, we are going to plot them in a graph. We have coordinates. For our first coordinate, we have negative 4, 10, then negative 3, 16. Our vertex is negative 2, 18. Then we have negative 1, 16. And finally, 0, 10. For our last task, we are going to find the domain in range. The domain is x such that x is an element of all real number, and our range is y such that y is less than or equal to 18.